Hi guys, welcome back to my videos, and today we are going to be putting just things on some slime. So yeah, first I'm going to cut some. Okay, I just got the camera situated. Now I'm going to grab some rubber bands to cut. So yeah, here's the rubber bands, and we're just going to cut them into tiny pieces so they look like sprinkles. So yeah, we're just going to cut these rubber bands until we have a lot, because we want not very little, we want a lot. Weird, but yes. Okay, so we're just going to grab a few more, and then we'll be done cutting. Because I already cut a few. So yeah, let's just keep going. And I'm cutting these down small because I don't like big ones. Okay, now do you remember this slime? This is what's left of the rainbow slime. Oh, I forgot, it smelled like nail polish. I'm gonna put some lotion in it later so it don't smell like nail polish. Okay guys, we're gonna be adding in little by little. Just do this, like always, put the mirror right here. Or I'll just dump them all in. Oh guys, now I can't see them anymore. See, look at, you can't see them. I can feel them. You guys, you can see some of them. Yeah, that'll probably be the end of this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!